thunderstorm warning for Cole County, South Central Montauk County, West Central Osage County until 6 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eldon and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson City, High Point, Russellville, Hickory Hill, Brazito, St. Thomas, Wardsville, Taos, Westphalia, Eden, Eugene, Lowman, Osage Bend, Schubert, and Osage City. This warning includes Jefferson Landing Historic Site. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Cole, Montauk, and Osage.